Hello friends and welcome to another tutorials on Codemog. In this tutorial we are going to explain how to create SQL Server Agent job and how to add steps for the created job, how to schedule the job to execute it automatically periodically. So let's get started with it. So what is SQL Server Agent? SQL Server Agent is a component of Microsoft SQL Server which allows the database administrator to schedule jobs and handles other automated tasks such as database backups etc. It runs as a Windows service so it can start automatically when the system boots or it can be started manually. SQL Server Agent has support for operators and alerts, so that administrators can be notified such as by email. Now let's understand the different components of SQL Server Agents. SQL Server Agent has 4 components to define the tasks to be performed, when to perform the tasks, and how to report the success or failure of the tasks. The very first component is SQL Server Agent Jobs. A SQL Server Agent job is a specified series of action that SQL Server Agent will execute. Jobs contain one or more job steps. Each step contains its own task, for example, backing up a database. Don't worry if you are not understanding these terms now, we will explain these with examples in next minutes. The second component is SQL Server Agent Schedules. A schedule specifies when a job runs. You can define as many as schedule for a job to be executed, also you can use a schedule for many different SQL Server Agent jobs. The third is Alerts component. An alert is an automatic response to a specific event. An event can be a job that starts or system resources that reach a specific threshold. An alert can notify or run a job. The fourth one is Operators component. An operator defines contact information for an individual responsible for the maintenance of one or more instances of SQL Server. SQL Server can notify operators of alerts through email. So, these 4 components enables a DBA to automate their day-to-day task. Let's create a job to take backup of a database on daily basis. So, launch SQL Server Management Studio, connect to SQL Server instance. I have connected to my local instance and I have one database called Prepist. Let's suppose I have to take daily backup of this database. In that case, I have to daily log into the instance and run a SQL code to take backup of the database. This task can be automated using SQL Server Agent. So, go to SQL Server Agent of the connected SQL Server. If you are not able to see that, then go to your SQL Server Configuration Manager and under SQL Server Services, make sure SQL Server Agent is running. If not, right-click and start that, it will be enabled. Now, go to Jobs. Right-click on Jobs and select New Job option. It will open the new job window where we can create a job. Wait for the new job window. So, this is the window to add a new job. Give a proper name for the job, let's say Prepist DB Backup Job. Select the optional category under which type of works it falls. Add description also for others to understand the responsibility of the defined job. Next, we need to attach steps to the defined job. For us it is execute the DB backup scripts. So, click on New button to add a step. A new window to add steps will open. Here is the window to attach steps to the job. Give a proper name to the step. Select the type. For us it is TSQL. Select the database on which this script should be applied and add the TSQL script to take the backup of the database in the command text box. Go to Advanced section. Here you can mention retry attempts in case of failure, or based on your needs you can define the proper step. Press OK. We have created our job to execute the SQL script. Now take the backup. Schedule the job. Go to Schedules section, click on New to add a schedule to this job. Give a name to this schedule. Specify the scheduler type, whether it is one-time or recurring or any other type. Mention frequency and when and how the job should be triggered. Mention how and when the job should be executed within the frequency. You can specify starting and ending date of the job. Once done, click OK. So we have finished up scheduling of the job. Now click OK. Now, go to Jobs. You will see our job has been created. Since we are executing every times the job, it has created the backup in the specified location. You can check the executed logs detail in the job history of the corresponding jobs. You can see, it has been executed 2 times till now. So, that's all about SQL Server Agent job creation and scheduling. If you have any query, then please comment below and let us know. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook to get notification for new videos. The URL links you can get in the description of the video. Happy learning and have a good day.